In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock all characters in Castle Crashers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Castle Crashers has various different characters, and I'm going to cover how you can unlock all of them. So, you will have some characters unlocked by default, and then when you complete the game with a specific one, you will usually unlock another one. So for these examples here, it's as simple as completing the game once. So if you play as the Red Knight and you complete the game, you will unlock the skeleton. If you complete the game as the skeleton, you will unlock the bear. And the same idea is going to be applied to all of these other characters. So you play the game as the Orange Knight, you unlock the Fire Demon, you play as the Fire Demon, unlock the Ninja, and so on. So I'm not going to go over every single one of these individually, but you can clearly see what's going on for all of the other ones, including Fencer, Saracen, and so on. Next, you have the arenas. So by clearing the King's Arena, you will be able to unlock the Barbarian. By clearing the Thieves Arena, you will unlock the Thief. Clearing the Volcano Arena unlocks the Conehead, and the Swampy Arena unlocks the Peasant. Finally, the Icy Arena gives you the Ice Eskimo. And then it's the same idea. You complete the game as one of these characters and you will unlock the next one. So if you complete the game as a Thief, you unlock Snaky. If you complete the game as an Ice Eskimo, you unlock Brute, and so on. Finally, you have the Insane Mode characters. You will unlock Insane Mode when you beat the game once with any character. So to unlock the Open Helmet Grey Knight, you will need to beat the Catfish. To unlock the King, you need to beat Pipistrello's Castle in Insane Mode. To unlock the Necromancer, you need to beat the Industrial Castle on Insane Mode. To unlock Colt Minion, you beat the Ice Castle on Insane. And finally, for Hattie, because he is a collaboration, all that you have to do is own Battle Block Theater on the same Steam account. And if the game is registered on the same Steam account as Castle Crashers, you will unlock him. Now, before I end this video, there are two more characters I need to highlight, which are the Pink Knight and the Blacksmith. These are going to be unlocked by purchasing DLC. They are very cheap, so visit the Steam store page and you will be able to find them. So with all of that said, I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.